I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome spray paint. First, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and wear appropriate safety gear. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your item to remove all dirt, grease, and oils. Next, lightly sand the surface with fine grit sandpaper to create adhesion for the paint. Finally, apply a high-quality 2-part epoxy primer, which is crucial for a durable finish. Once your primer is dry, it's time for the base coat. For the most reflective chrome effect, a glossy black enamel paint is highly recommended. Apply this in several thin, even layers, holding the can about 10 inches from the surface. This prevents drips and ensures a smooth, mirror-like foundation. Let this base coat cure completely, ideally for at least 24 hours before moving on. Now for the exciting part, applying the chrome paint itself. Use light, even passes, keeping the spray can about 6 inches to 10 inches away. It's vital not to over-apply, as heavy coats can dull the chrome's reflectivity. Once the chrome is dry, you might consider a specialized clear top coat. While it can slightly reduce the mirror effect, it significantly protects the finish from scratches and wear. After applying your chrome and any optional clear coat, patience is key. Allow the finish to cure completely for several days to achieve maximum hardness and durability. During this time, handle the item with extreme care to avoid any scratches or smudges. A properly cured chrome finish will be much more resilient. Be sure to check the description below for a link to that book, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.